Well, big breaking news coming in, viewers, at the top of this hour. Shivraj Singh Chauhan has lashed out at Air India over alleged poor services. He has shared his purported ordeal on social media. Chauhan claimed that he was allotted a broken seat on a Bhopal to Delhi flight despite prior warnings to the airline. He's also questioned the airline's, Air India's ethics. He's asked if the airline would take corrective measures or continue to exploit passengers who have an urgency to travel. In fact, that is a post by Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Viewers, you can see it on your screens as well. Shivraj Singh Chauhan questioning Air India's services. He said that the seat allotted to him was broken. Not just that, Shivraj Singh Chauhan has also questioned really the services and the quality of Air India. He has said that the seat allotted to him was broken, and then he goes on to ask if at all that is cheating of passengers or not. Viewers, let's take you through exactly what Shivraj Singh Chauhan said, and then I'll be joined by one of my colleagues who will give us more perspective on the same. All right, viewers, let's take a look at this post by Shivraj Singh Chauhan. He says that when he took Air India flight, then the flight or the chair was broken. आज मैं भोपाल से दिल्ली आना था, पूसा में किसान मेले का उद्घाटन था, कुरुक्षेत्र में प्राकृतिक खेती मिशन की बैठक थी, एक्सेट्रा. मैंने एयर इंडिया की एक फ्लाइट ली, उसमें टिकट करवाया, मुझे सीट क्रमांक 8C आवंटित हुई. मैं जाकर सीट पे बैठा, सीट टूटी. The seat was broken, says Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Goes on to say, and अंदर धसी हुई थी. बैठना तकलीफदायक था. जब मैंने विमान कर्मियों से पूछा कि खराब सीट थी, को क्यों मुझे आवंटित किया गया, उन्होंने बताया कि प्रबंधन को पहले से सूचित कर दिया था. So what basically Shivraj Singh Chauhan, just to translate it loosely and roughly for our viewers, Shivraj Singh Chauhan basically claiming that he was given a broken chair which was highly inconvenient to him. He did red flag and raise this issue to the airlines as to, why he was given such a seat, and then he was told that he was already informed in advance. And then, he goes on to talk about his entire ordeal as to how he kept requesting them, to change his seat. मेरी धारणा थी कि टाटा प्रबंधन के हाथ में लेने के बाद एयर इंडिया की सेवा बेहतर हुई होंगी, लेकिन ये मेरा भ्रम निकला. So basically he says that the services, which Air India provides is not up to mark. This is a big allegation, and coming from someone, who holds such an important portfolio like Shivraj Singh Chauhan himself, and that really has led to a big slugfest. Finally, what he says in conclusion, मुझे बैठने में कष्ट की चिंता नहीं है, लेकिन यात्रियों को पूरा पैसा वसूलने के बाद उन्हें खराब और कष्टदायक सीट पर बैठना अनैतिक है. क्या ये यात्रियों के साथ धोखा नहीं है? So basically he says that personally I am not really creating a hue and cry over my ordeal, but is it not cheating of passengers when you give them substandard services? Rishabh is joining us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, we don't see it very often. We have Shivraj Singh Chauhan himself, who's hit out at Air India, and he's lashed out at Air India, really speaking about his ordeal, how he was allotted a broken chair, finally even questioning Air India, saying that is this not cheating of passengers?
Well, definitely, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who is a union minister for agriculture in the Modi government, has now lashed out at the Air India, saying that he had booked a ticket in Air India flight from Bhopal to Delhi, and what he saw when he reached the aircraft was that his allotted seat, 8C, which is an aisle seat, was broken. The seat was not in a good condition. Yes. It was difficult to sit. When he raked up this issue with the in-flight crew, Meenakshi, as per the minister, right, he was informed that the airline actually wasn't know-how, and they were already
so the airline knew in advance, so why was it not rectified? Rishabh, say with us, because this tweet, this post